tidy with nest pretty. What is nest pretty? I'm going to read it to you from the book. It is a verb. It is the action of choosing to live your best life. And the book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. And one of the tools that I use is called the edit. And the process of the edit is at the end of the day, ask yourself 3 questions. This is a honing exercise. This helps you to look at your wardrobe one piece at a time, one day at a time, to be sure that you are showing up as the best version of you. So question number 1 is what worked? And you always want to ask that first because you want to train your brain to look for the positive. Look for the things that you appreciate about your clothes, about your body, about your style, about the way you show up in the world. And I want you to answer that question right now. Look down at what you're wearing and answer the question, what worked? What do you love? Okay, so today I decided to do white on white on white with these little leather platform shoes. And I loved it. It was a very hot, humid, beautiful day in Florida, and white on white on white is so appropriate. So what worked? I threw on the sweater at the last minute just to add a touch of polish and to finish the look. And I thought I would take it off during the day, but I didn't. I was so comfortable all day long. So it definitely worked. What didn't work? Well, these beads are really heavy. I've said that before, but I really wanted to tie in the shoes with these little brown beads, so it's okay. Other than the heavy necklace, that's the only thing I would notice that didn't work. So when you're asking yourself what didn't work, you're asking yourself that throughout the day because you want to just be aware of your clothing. Is it comfortable? Is it fitting right? Or are you tugging it constantly to get it to lay right or to look right or to cover up something? If you're adding a new gesture to your world because of your clothing, then that is something to be aware of. The third question is, how can I make it better? So this is really just a question of using your imagination and maybe problem solving for what didn't work and taking what did work and maybe even expanding it even further. So I really like this outfit. You know what I could have done, which would have been really cute, is I have a chunky white pearl. That would have looked really cute. Next time. Okay, so that's how you do the edit. I'm a closet coach. I help you in your closet, and then when we're done with that, I help you with your life. I am a life coach / closet coach. I'm here to help. Please leave a message below and tell me what worked about your outfit today. I'm so interested, and I would love to hear what positive, appreciative thing that you see about your look today. Okay, you have your homework. Have a great day. Bye.